Hey everyone, I'm Sana. Welcome to my YouTube channel Evergreen Arts and Crafts. In today's video tutorial, I'm going to teach you how can you make this simple and beautiful bracelets. I have used the colors and black combination. I have made it in a various sizes for the healthy hands and for the thin wrist sizes as well. So I'm using size 3 mm for the black color. Here you can see I have used a 3 mm, and for the colorful ones, I have used the 4 mm red, orange, yellow, green, light blue, purple, and pink color. 2 mm hematite beads in gold. Also magnetic locks, crimp beads covers, and some jumprings. The supplies are mentioned in the description box down below as well. So let's get started with it. The last thing you will need is 0.38 mm wire. I haven't cut the wire yet. I am just start adding my black 3 mm beads. I'm going to add 5, 10, and then I'm going to add 10 more. No, it's 29. Sorry, 19 beads. And then I'm going to add one trim bead. Sorry, one hematite bead, one red bead, one hematite, orange, again one hematite, then one yellow bead. And this is how you create your color combinations. You can make it in 2 colors or 3 colors or whatever you like. So I'm adding these colors, and in between each color bead I have added 2 mm hematite golden bead. And this is how you're going to add all these colors and the last hematite bead. And this is what your work will looks like that. And now we are going to add in final 19 more beads. So I'm going to add the 5 and 5, 10. I'm going to add 5 more, 15, and then I'm going to add in 4 beads more, so 19 beads on each side. And then I'm going to add crimp bead cover. After adding the crimp bead cover, we are going to add in the crimp bead. After adding the crimp bead, you're going to lock nicely your crimp bead, press it hard, and then close your crimp bead cover. And now we are going to move your work to this side, and we have finally cut the wire as needed. I'm going to cut it short. I'm going to add the crimp bead cover on this side, and then I'm going to add in the crimp bead. Now you're going to press nicely. After pressing it nicely, we are going to close our crimp bead, cut the extra wire, close your crimp bead cover, and your bracelet is ready. Now we are going to add in the lock. I am taking my jump ring. Open your jump ring and add in your lock. I have used a magnetic lock. You can go ahead and take any lobster lock, any fancy locks you like, and then you're going to close your jump ring. Do the same to the other side as well. If you enjoyed this video tutorial, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and give a thumbs up to this video. Pass it through, and you're going to close your jump ring, and your bracelet is ready. You can make the anklets as well if you like it. I'm going to wear it and show you guys how these looks like on your hand all together. These are really very easy to close because of its magnet lock. You can make the necklaces of it. You can make the headbands of these theme. You can make anklets or whatever. And this is the plus size one I have made, and this is how it came out. So nice. So this is what it looks like. Hope you have enjoyed today's video tutorial. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much everyone. Take care. Bye bye.